Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss the PYQs of complex analysis asked in GATE 2014. So our question is, the function fz is equals to mod z square plus I z bar plus 1 is differentiable at which of the following point? So the function is given fz is equals to mod z square plus iota of z bar plus 1, which is, we can write this function as z bar as z mod z square is equals to z bar plus iota z bar plus 1. So we can use the complex form of CR equation to solve this. What is the complex form of CR equation? Del f upon del z bar is equals to 0. For the function to be a differentiable, this condition should be satisfied. So we will differentiate this function with respect to z bar. So del f upon del z bar is equals to, differentiate this function. So we get z plus iota, which is equals to 0. So at which point this function is differentiable? At z is equals to minus of iota, because for differentiability this condition, this differentiation with respect to z bar should be 0. So if we differentiate this and equate it as equal to 0, we get z is equals to minus 1. So option C is correct. So this is a solution based on complex form of Cauchy-Riemann equation. So this is a solution of this question. If you like this video, hit the like button, and for more such video you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.